Hi guys, welcome to my video on the 2020 customized MacBook Pro from Apple Store Philippines. There are things to consider why I prefer buying a MacBook online over the physical stores. First is availability, and if you are in the Philippines, you know that the latest Apple products is very limited in the physical stores. As of today, October 2020, stocks are still limited in Power Mac Center, iStudio, and other resellers. Thus, buying a MacBook Pro directly from Apple is a better and easier option. Next is the required specifications for your laptop. If you'll just be doing heavy browsing and online streaming, the MacBook Air is a good option. But if you're going to use this for your day-to-day workflow, I'd go for the base model of the MacBook Pro. As a developer, the base model is within the range of my use cases. However, the RAM on the base model is not really a good choice for multitasking, especially when you're going to develop websites and do video editing. Thus, I'll be upgrading mine to 16GB of RAM. And yeah, you cannot customize your MacBook Pro in any physical Philippine stores. 256GB of storage is more than enough for me, as I actually use cloud technology such as Google Drive, GitHub, and Google Photos. This is actually better since you can access your files across all of your devices on phones, tablets, laptop, anywhere, anytime. Lastly is the pricing, as most physical stores would add additional costs in their product. But when you buy directly from Apple Store, you actually have the option to go for the education pricing, which is 10% cheaper than the selling retail price. Though the downside of this selection is you have to pay in full in debit or credit card. However, it will save you at least 6,000 pesos from the total cost. So if you have the money, I'd choose this payment mode. By the way, shipping fee and custom taxes is already included in this payment mode, so you don't really need to worry in any additional cost. Estimated delivery dates are at least 1.5 to 2 months, but I actually got mine within 31 days upon checking out. Courier is DHL, and order processing will take at least 15 days for customized product. But once you have received a confirmation saying that the product is shipped, it means that your MacBook Pro is already in the Bureau of Customs in the Philippines for processing. The DHL tracker is not accurate for customized MacBook. According to some sources, customized MacBook is shipped from China and the mother waybill is used for batch processing and custom. Thus, I'd prefer to wait it out for another 10 to 15 days. Once the custom has released your MacBook, DHL will deliver your MacBook as soon as possible. Do note that the delivery dates will vary on your location. In my case, since I live in Makati, I was able to receive my MacBook 12 hours upon release from custom. Overall, the experience buying from Apple Store was good, cheaper, and reliable. So if you're considering to buy a MacBook Pro in 2020 or 2021, Apple Store Philippines is a better option. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe for more tech content. Thank you and see you in another video.